Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a demo and review of two different bath bombs. They are both essentially the same bath bomb, however they are created differently in the sense that they have different scents and they are obviously very different looking. So the red and white one is called the Candy Cane Swirl, and that one is scented in candy cane scent, which is described as fresh off the Christmas tree, get into the Christmas spirit with the classic minty fresh scent of candy canes. This sugary peppermint scent will get you feeling jolly just in time for Santa's arrival. And then the green bath bomb that has the little holly candy looking things on the top that went blue in the water. That one is called the Christmas Swirl, and that one is scented in Snow Fairy type scent, which is a lush dupe fragrance and is described as a fruity sweet blend of cotton candy, pear and peach with mid notes of summer berries, top notes of fruity, pear and peach, mid notes of strawberry and raspberry, along with base notes of vanilla, powdery musk sticks. So basically it's a very fruity, very candy kind of type scent, and it smells really, really good. So both of these scents together it worked. It actually smelled really, really good, and the colors of this bath bomb, as you could imagine, it did actually end up turning the water a beautiful purple color, and there was also heaps and heaps of shimmer in the water, which I always find a very big plus in my books. I actually wasn't expecting the green Christmas Swirl bath bomb to turn out to be blue, but it was a really nice surprise. And if you're wondering about the little candies that were sitting on top of the bath bombs, they do actually 100% dissolve in the water as well. There's nothing to clean up in the tub once you are done with the bath. But anyway, I'm not going to sit here and talk your ears off for the rest of the video. I'm just going to go ahead and say goodbye now. So if you guys are looking forward to more Christmas bath bomb demos and jewelry reveals from Out of Candles and all that good stuff, then please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye!